A thumping sound from a dryer is often caused by the load inside, prolonged non-use, or improper leveling. This issue can be resolved by checking the load and ensuring it is properly balanced. Items like sheets, curtains, and tablecloths can become bunched up in the dryer and bang against the drum, producing a thumping sound. To fix this, it's essential to separate these items during a drying cycle. Additionally, placing tennis shoes in the dryer can also cause a thumping sound, so it's recommended to use a dry rack instead. If a dryer has not been used for an extended period, the support rollers can become flattened, resulting in a thumping sound when it's turned back on. Allowing the dryer to run for some time can help the rollers regain their shape and eliminate the thumping sound. Another potential cause is uneven leveling, which can be checked by unplugging the dryer, pulling it away from the wall, and inspecting the leveling legs for wear or damage. If damaged, the legs can be replaced with a new set, and the dryer can be restored to a stable position by adjusting the legs and ensuring it doesn't rock. Once these issues are addressed, the thumping sound should stop, and the dryer should function properly again.